Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO A52 and let me show you how to update apps on the following device. So all you have to do is simply open the Play Store and select the settings here. Now choose My Apps and Games. And here we've got all apps which can be updated. If you want to update all of them at the same time, simply click on Update All. But if you want to update only one app, just click on Update near that. As you can see now, it's at the top of the list, it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and applied to your device. So that's all. This is how you find and update apps in your OPPO A52. And if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.